Instead of sitting or kneeling on the ground to pot your plants, consider investing in a potting bench. A well-designed potting bench provides a handy place to store commonly used tools, bags of potting mix, and other essentials so they're handy when you need them, says Justin Hancock, a horticulturalist with Costa Farms. Before you purchase a potting bench, be sure to consider what size of bench will fit in your space. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 potting benches on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Yahitech Outdoor Garden Potting Bench. The best potting benches have plenty of storage for all your gardening accessories. Able to hold up to 220 pounds and featuring abundant storage, this potting bench is ready for any gardening task. The work surface is roughly 44 inches long and 18 inches wide, offering generous space for potting or repotting plants. Plus, the bench helps you keep all your gear organized with a built-in drawer, a cabinet that's ideal for large bags of potting soil, and includes a latch to help keep small children away from any potentially harmful items, and 3 side hooks for hanging a few of your favorite gardening tools. It also includes a lower shelf next to the cabinet and a shelf up top where you can display some small potted plants or other decorative items. Because of all the storage under the worktop, though, there is no room left to include a dry sink in this potting bench. Number 2. Best Choice Products Garden Potting Bench. Overall, we chose the Best Choice Products Mobile Garden Potting Bench as the best potting bench. The wood tabletop can slide apart to reveal a hidden dry sink for mixing soil or storing it for your next potting session. With this setup, there is still plenty of space to work on both sides of the sink. This bench also has several areas for storage thanks to a lower shelf, 2 small upper shelves, and hooks for tools on the unit's front. You can choose whether you want to add the wheels, depending on whether you plan to move it around often or keep it in one place. If you do add the wheels, each includes a lock to prevent the bench from sliding around while you're working. Unlike some potting benches that come untreated, this one is finished with a water-based stain to help protect the fir wood from the elements. Number 3. Topeak Mart Potting Bench Table. You get a lot of hard-working features without spending a ton of money when you purchase this potting bench. It includes a metal worktop that's easy to clean, and 2 shelves below it that are tall enough to store standard-size pots and at least some bags of potting soil. 3 iron hooks on the side of the bench add convenient hanging storage for gardening tools as well. Thanks to its waterproof top and durable firwood frame, this bench can be used either indoors or outdoors. It can be left as is or you can add varnish and or paint later for extra protection, and a bit of fun color. A 3-inch tall border around 3 of the sides of the worktop helps contain the mess to some degree, although it does not come with a decorative back or shelf up top like some potting benches include. It's easy to assemble, although 2 adults will likely be needed. Number 4. OutSunny Folding Potting Bench Table. This metal potting bench has a little more of an ornate or rustic look compared to other potting benches on our list. Made of metal, it comes with a built-in bag for stashing clippings or gathering up spilled soil when potting plants. There's a lid on top of the bag to contain the mess and ensure there are no accidental spills. A grid backsplash features 5 hooks for hanging small garden tools, like garden trowels, and a lower shelf offers storage below, with a 4-inch high back around the shelf to keep supplies in place. The grid design of the worktop and lower shelf ensures water doesn't pool on the surface if it rains. Our favorite feature is its collapsible design. It folds flat so you can easily store it away in an outdoor shed or a garage during the off-season. As an added bonus, this design means that it comes fully assembled, you just need to unfold it. Number 5. Homestyles Maho Potting Bench. This potting bench is quite a bit more expensive than many on the market, but it's a great choice if you want a fine piece of furniture that's made from quality materials and provides a generous work area. It's made from acacia wood, which is water resistant and stands up well to the elements. For extra protection, it's finished with a teak stain and sealed with linseed oil. A galvanized steel top resists rust, so you don't have to worry about rain or the mess that goes hand in hand with potting plants. The best potting benches provide a generous amount of storage, and this one doesn't disappoint in that regard. It features 2 lower slatted shelves that allow water to drain through, 2 drawers to keep tools within easy reach, and an upper hutch for display. Stainless steel towel bars and hooks on both sides help this piece function equally well as a gardening station or an outdoor bar cart. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.